Habari, welcome to the international community. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks for tuning in today. Today's topic is how to build credit from scratch. The first method I have is really build that existing or build a relationship with a bank immediately. That's going to help you get credit. The reason why is because they're going to get to know you and they're going to probably give you offers. Okay. So you want to build that relationship with the bank to get that going. They're going to send you some offers possibly, and then you could get a credit bureau. Another option, if you're having trouble with the bank or if you really want to amplify things, is getting a guaranteed or secured credit card. This is when you put a certain amount of money on that card, for example, $500, and you leave it on there. Remember, if you put $400 on your credit card, you still have to pay the $400. That $500 stays on there. It's very important. This is a great method because this will build your credit profile. The credit profile doesn't know exactly the difference between prepaid and all these type of loans. It just knows there's something there and it's building it in an algorithm. Okay, this is how it works. Remember, a prepaid credit card is not like having a secured or guaranteed credit card. It's totally different. A prepaid credit card is like having a gift card. It gets used like that. It's not going to build your credit. It's not the way to go to build your credit at all. Now, getting a co-signer or co-applicant is really good. More so being a first-time car buyer or a homeowner, these areas, it's more beneficial. I would try to get the credit card on your own through the bank or through a guaranteed secured credit card. Whatever type of credit you first get, no matter which one it is, you really need to double, triple check that they report to the credit bureau, else it's pointless. I know that sounds crazy, but a lot of places don't report to credit bureaus, believe it or not. So let's for sure ask if they report. Simple question. Now, some words of wisdom. Don't credit seek and go multiple credit card companies after you've been declined. It's just going to hurt your credit very badly. And if you have somewhat of a bureau, it's going to really destroy your credit score. Or even if you don't have a credit bureau yet, it might fall into your credit bureau when it comes and really hurt it in the near future effect. Hard to say how the algorithm works exactly, but just don't do this. It's a bad idea. Question, how fast can you build your credit from scratch? Well, this is a bit complicated question because it depends on the bureaus and how fast it gets there from the lenders. So I would say, in my guess, anywhere from 1 to 6 months, it could start hitting your credit, depending on the country. How long does it take to get a 750 credit score from scratch? This is a great question. This is actually not that hard to get. You can get this sometimes on a few trade lines, like a couple credit cards at even low balances, because it feeds off of that right away. I've seen people that have $1,000 credit card and a $2,000 credit card having like over 700 credit score. This could totally happen. Once again, this doesn't mean your credit is suffice to go buy a car for $40,000, but this is how it works. It's a little bit confusing, but it does jump up. Question, how do I get out of a guaranteed or secured credit card after my credit's improved? Wait, I would definitely get another credit card first, whether you get an offer or apply. When you've done this and you built it for a bit, I look at closing the secured or guaranteed credit card, but I wouldn't do it before. Remember to invest yourself into financial literacy. Check out our ebook at masterfinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Tell all your family and friends all over the world, God bless, much love. Hope to see you soon.